Hey everybody, this is Rich, down along the river. Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. This is a shout out video tonight. Haven't seen anybody do this in a while unless I just have been missing them. So I got a couple of list of channels I like to pay it forward to. Since there was channels bigger than me that helped me out, I like to throw, the channels that I follow and the channels that supported me as I was growing to where I'm at today. Some of these guys, have started their own channels, and I like to support them and show them the same support as they've shown me. So let's go and get started. And all these channels will be in the description box. Just hit show more. All right, here we go. I want you to check out Hot Sauce Daily, Brian in Maryland, down in Ocean City. I did a video with them. I went to see them. We did a couple pork loins on his kettle on the slow and sear in Ocean City. That link will be up here. Just hit up here, check it out. And their link will be in the description box. Hit show more. They got tons of hot sauces, tons. But they're really nice people, down to earth. Check them out. Hot Sauce Daily. A little warm in here. We got a bunch of weather happening, and we got the heaters cranked up because, as everybody knows, we got a deep freeze coming on Monday, Sunday night Monday. All right, second channel is Cooking with Kory. I think we did a collaboration. If we did, I'll leave it. I think we did something. I'm sorry, Kory. I'll leave the link up here to that video. You can check it out. If it's not a video, it'll be his channel. So, he's a fairly new cat. I hadn't written down any subscribers, how much they have. I'm not really, up on that too much. I'm just giving the shout outs. Go check him out. He's out in Nebraska, I believe, along with Dan with Smokin Goodness. So check Kory's channel out. He does a lot of different stuff. He does a little different stuff, but he's a good dude. Down home, just starting. Go check him out and show him some love. Channel link will be in the description box. And next, check out 1984 Barbecue. Old John. He's been following me for a while, and he does a lot of videos. He uses the river dirt, same with Kory, and they support the river dirt, and they support me, so let's support them. John, I don't think we collaborated. No, I don't think so. But anyway, his channel link will be up here and in the description box. So check him out. It's probably snowing or something up there, but I think he's in Illinois. I think. Indiana, Illinois. I don't know. All right, next channel to give a shout out to. This channel I met in Weston, West Virginia at the Almost Heaven Barbecue Bash by the KCBS Barbecue Association there. His Cookout Coach, Steve Dotson. Check him out. I'll leave my video up here that we did out in Weston, where we actually met Steve and got to shake hands and meet him for the first time. And we'll see him again probably at this year's Almost Heaven out in not Weston. It's going to be in a different city, but I'm sure we'll see Steve. So, and he went to the Shade Tree down at the Jack Daniels. So check his channel out. He's got links. He's got videos of everything. He's very thorough. Does a lot of comparative cookings and comparisons. So I think his recent comparison was hardwood lump versus charcoal. So check him out. His channel up here and in the description box. So check him out. All right, next one up is Pickle's Barbecue out in Colorado. He has been following me for a while, and I like to show him some love. And he also uses some river dirt, so check his videos out. Show him some love. His channel will be up here, down there. Let's see, old Charlie. Yeah, he's been following me for a while, and he is a heck of a nice guy. Of course, everybody in Colorado seems to be pretty nice and laid back. So, don't know why. But go ahead, get her down, Charlie. And I'll tell you what, check him out. He's got a bunch of nice cooks, and the weather don't slow him down. So check him out. All right, the next channel, he's down in Florida, I think around the Jacksonville area, is BBQ Pit Dog, Rob. He is a big supporter of my channel and a big supporter of River Dirt. So, and he does a lot of cooks on his pit barrel cooker, which I don't blame him. I love my pit barrel cooker too. So, BBQ Pit Dog. Sorry about BBQ Pit Dog. Check him out. Link is up here. Link is down there. So, check him out. Now, this other barbecue YouTube channel, we actually went and saw about this time last year. Check out Martha and, oh my God, what the hell is his name? Matt. I'm joking. Go down and check out Matt and Martha at Barlow BBQ down in North Carolina. They were awesome when we were there. We did a brisket cook. I'll leave that link to our video up here. It's our road trip, our YouTube road trip. So, and they use River Dirt. They're a supporter of the channel, supported the River Dirt. They're somewhere around the same subscribers as me. I know that. We talk, pretty regular. So, yeah, show them some love. And real laid back guys. Yeah, I love them people. I love to go back and see them again. So, link will be up here for the video, and link for his channel will be in the description box. So, and the next channel is Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking up there in Wisconsin. I think it's Wisconsin. Is Daddy Dutch Ken in Wisconsin? Babe?
What, honey?
Is Ken in Wisconsin? Vanderweird?
I don't think it's Wisconsin. I thought it was Iowa. I thought it was Iowa.
Well, anyway, he's up there in the cold states. I don't know, it's Wisconsin or Iowa. Sorry, Kent. I'm sorry.
I might as well start writing this stuff down.
Probably. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. So, anyway, he's up there in the cold. He does some cooking. I think the cold has got him strapped down right now, but he's still pumping out, I think, some Blackstone stuff, I think. So, check him out. He's also a supporter of my channel and River Dirt. So, show him some love. I'll leave his channel up here. I don't think we collaborated, but yeah, Ken is an awesome guy, and go check him out. All right, next channel is a fairly young channel. I just got done talking with old Chris Stuckey at Bottlecap Barbeque out in Arizona, Phoenix, I believe. He just did a video on a comparison on baby back ribs and St. Louis ribs. He was using the Green Mountain Grill, and he was using some other people's products. So check that video out when you go to his channel. We are working on a collaboration, but I believe we'll be coming out on Tuesday. So go ahead and check that out if you would. Let's see. Chris, he's a nice guy. He's another competition cooker. Show him some love. His channel link will be up here in the description box. And last but not least, this guy is from the west coast of the west side of Texas in El Paso, named Smokin Joes Pit BBQ. Old Joe Martinez. He's a supporter of the channel and the River Dirt. And actually, if you go to my website, richesriverbarbecue.com, you'll see his video where he used River Dirt against other rubs, and River Dirt come out #1. So check that video out, and be sure to visit my website, richesriverbarbecue.com. That'll redirect you to Rich's River Dirt Barbecue Rub and Seasonings.com. Bought 2 domains. One was too long, bought a shorter one. If I gotta have the longest name in YouTube channel, why not have the longest domain in history? Kind of fits. So go check out Joe Martinez's channel. Link will be up here, and link will be down there. He's a real nice guy. He's got all kind of nice pits. I think he's got like a Jambo. No, he's got El Rey. That's right. He's got an El Rey, which is a nice smoker. He's also another KCBS, I think, a KCBS competition cooker. So check him out. Guys, you know, I couldn't be where I'm at today without you guys. That could be anywhere from YouTube, you know, Instagram, even to my personal life. I talked to a lot of you guys on the back behind the scenes. I talked to a lot of people. So, and you know, I like to pay it forward. People has gave me a shout out in the past, and I just rattle off, you know, quite a bit of channels there. So all those channels will be in the description box. Show them some love. Check them out. I mean, this is a community that you just can't beat. So, guys, and also, just be sure you check out richesriverbarbecue.com. Get that Rich's River dirt and check it out. Even though it's not cooking season, like outside for grilling and smoking in a lot of places, you see on my channel, on this channel right here, this very channel, that how you can use it in other ways other than barbecue, like an all-around seasoning. So guys, check it out. Thanks for the support. Hope you like this video. Share with your friends and family in the world. And when you share with them, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.